Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. नमस्कार नमस्ते नमस्कारा वनक्कम खुश आमदीद अस्सलाम वालेकुम सत श्री अकाल मी कंदर की वंदनमो जय स्वामी नारायण जय श्री कृष्णा जय जनेन्द्र एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे सारे इस्माइली भाई बंधु बोलेंगे याली मदद एंड मोराली बदजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे में से फालतू बाबा एंड ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ी देर में फालतू में शामिल हो जाएगी बदजन लेकिन आज का शो इज समथिंग व्हिच वी गॉट टेल यू बदजन समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू कीप इन माइंड एंड वी आर कॉलिंग दिस शो एज द माइंडफुल मंडेज on the Pam Pam Show बदजान. Now mindful Monday किस लिए क्यों क्या है ये सब सोचने के लिए let me tell you what exactly we mean by saying mindful. Mindful Monday is about being aware. Now, हाल में मतलब we just got news yesterday that one of the young stars of budding stars of Indian cinema, Sushant Singh Rajput actually passed on. He actually committed suicide is what they talked about, and it was a very disturbing news she got on Sunday, and then everybody is talking about it. Many people actually posting about it. There's a lot of events coming up in terms of the Bollywood industry, talking about the high stress environment they live in, all those stuff, right? And एक चीज़ जो है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइस नो बंधुजन ये जो सुइसाइड की बात होती है हमारे इसमें कल्चर में थोड़ा वी नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज थिंग्स स्पेशली फॉल्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. नाउ हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे शोज हैं वी डन बंच ऑफ शोज फॉर यू गाइस वी स्ट्रेस्ड अपॉन द फैक्ट दैट वी शुड टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ फॉर श्योर बिकॉज ऑल दीज थिंग्स पाइल अप एंड व्हेन पीपल मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ डिसीजंस which they got when they come to a particular point in time in life they don't know what is to do. So it's about us to generally people जब भी कोई उस situation में होता है there's very few people can actually identify that they are in a block and they want to come out of it, right? So because क्या होता है उनके life में और अंधेरा होता है but the thing is they are feeling lonely, not able to express it to anybody else, and it's up to the us individuals who are who probably are not in that particular situation to realize that and pull them out of the situation. That's about being mindful, Banajan. And I think it's about how understanding where and how your friends are feeling, checking on them once in a while if possible. Just say hello to everybody around you. Whoever you see, you don't have a smile, at least smile and get a smile on their face. That's the whole idea behind the situation of what we're doing today as Mindful Mondays with Jam. At the same time, ye bhi hai ki we want to actually see how Indian cinema has actually given us some stories which are pretty much based on mental health and some are disorders as well. Now mental health wo to ek jo hota hai ki people having depression and having other anxiety issues and everything. That's one thing. Ek aur cheez hota hai ki disorders hoti hai jo generally people who are kind of different, who think differently, and that's neurodiversity. उसके बारे में भी बातें होती है फिल्मों में उसके and we'll talk about those movies as well because that's important for us to understand that there is opportunity for us to learn more not by opening a book or reading up on internet which you possibly can do. Just go Google, you'll find more information about these things, and we can just go and volunteer at organization which works in this kind of space like Pragnya is a wonderful organization where you can actually learn a lot about mental health and mental situations, how we can deal with people who have different thought processes, Banajan. And that's the way you go check out at Pragnya at pragnya.org to learn more about those things and how we can actually work in an environment which is neurodiverse. Because क्या होता है कि this is something called as health होती है, disorders होती है, and some disorders actually we don't know the meaning of those things. We just have to put a label on it, लगा देते हैं, ठप्पा लगा देते हैं ऐसा. And even they go through they're also human beings. They also go through all kinds of emotions. But the only thing we're not able to understand because they probably are speaking in a different language, which we don't understand. So it's for us to be mindful and try to be allies in our lives, right? And so आज का show probably is going to be something where you can chime in and can share about something which you have a thought of and have noticed that's happening in our community but you're not able to bring voice to it, especially with regard to our mental health and everything. Banajan, हमारे यहाँ पे as you know, Good Morning Paper, we have a segment called as Wisdom Series which Faltoni many times has called it wisdom therapy because wisdom therapy का मतलब क्या था? Wisdom जो होता है Banajan, it actually is something which has been pioneered by Dr. Shawnee Robbins from Stanford. As you guys know, he's come on our show multiple times. लेकिन उसमें क्या होता है कि हमारे विजडम जो ईस्टर्न फिलोसफी है, जो एक्सपीरियंस बोलते हैं, दैट इज द वाइज एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ ईस्टर्न कल्चर इज एक्चुअली blends very well with the western psychological sciences, and that's what he has come up with the wisdom therapy manager. But आपको wisdom series में सभी ऐसे आएंगे. One of the biggest thing which you understand is about mindfulness, and जो हमारे कल्चर में होता है प्रज्ञता, awareness, that's right, that's what's called mindfulness. तो आज का मंडे का शो also want to keep it as mindful Mondays, because let us be mindful of all these things. Let us not say what is depression. Let's not have the question in our mind at all. Let us try to see how we can identify those things. And yes, how would you, when you're feeling sad, how would you come out of your sadness? How do you deal with it? That's important also, right? That's what we got to talk about as well. So आज हम लोग कुछ ऐसे बात करेंगे, and there's some inspirational stories I want to share with you guys of people who actually have been through it and have openly come out and said, this is what I'm dealing with, and there's no shame in it. And that's exactly what we're talking about. Jan, talking about having the comfort to talk about our mental disorders, like how mental health issues, like how we would have a cold or that kind of stuff, right? So it's pretty much normal, because psychological and physical are two different things. एक ही orgasm का effect हो रहा है, so that's what you want to do actually, Manijan. But first of all, let's do one thing. I want to start off with a nice song. What we can do is, in fact, I would say there's this particular, thing where Sushant Singh Rajput, when he came into the industry, they say he came through a lot of struggles. As in, he gave up his pursuit of physics and joined the entertainment industry. For whatever reason he joined, he actually made a mark. He constantly has been active with doing stuff for the television, then graduated into the movies and everything. There's another storyline going around saying that, this is a product of nepotism, didn't let him grow. Nay, the thing is, he was growing. He was maturing as an actor. He was giving us good movies, and eventually probably heard a garden. But the point is, I think there was a point where you have to realize that people need to reach out and talk and deal with their problems, which many people don't. But people, when they do, they realize that, okay, yes, that's something which we have to do for sure. Jitna bhi paisa bana lo bandhujan, when you feel lonely, that's what hits very badly, and that's when you require all the bandhus you need in life. And giving a shout out to all our bandhus right now, I want to play a nice song. I want to remember Sushant Singh Rajput in a line and all the wonderful work he has given us. And this movie was one of the movies I was totally impressed. And one of the movies I saw of his, and I was totally impressed with the movie, the way he acted in the movie as well. First of all, you will not like the character, but later on you start liking the character because the way he is portrayed. This is a movie called Shuddh Desi Romance. Isme actually, there are hero is Sushant Singh Rajput, of course, and साथ में I think was Parineeti Chopra. But the best part is Parineeti Chopra ही नहीं. इसमें there also is one more heroine, Vani Kapoor. You would not recognize her in this movie based on the other movie she came in. But this is a beautiful song from the movie which I want to start off with today. It is called as Gulabi. Sham Gulabi, Seher Gulabi. Enjoy कीजिएगा बन जाए. I'll be back right after this more nice songs. And of course, you too can chime in on the number here, 4089122479 408 9122479.
शाम गुलाबी सहर गुलाबी पहर गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर शाम गुलाबी सहर गुलाबी पहर गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर मैं भी गुलाबी तू है गुलाबी दिन भी गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये कहर कहूँ भी गुलाबी नशाओं भी गुलाबी लगता है मैं रहूं गुलाबी
जाने रे जाने मन जाने है रंग रंग गुलाब
गुलाबी है प्रीत रो
जाने रे जाने सब जाने है रंग रंग गुलाबी है प्रीत रो
गुलाबी डोरी है बंधी है चोरी है ना छोरा चोरी ना सीना चोरी है गुलाबी डोरी है रे बंधी है चोरी है रे ना रोका टोकी है ना सीना चोरी है सर्द गुलाबी चैन गुलाबी दबाव गुलाबी है असर ख्वाब गुलाबी नैन गुलाबी है सफर हाले गुलाबी है तेज गुलाबी करते शरारत लब भी गुलाबी रे छूले गुलाबी रंग रेज गुलाबी हाले ले चल तेज गुलाबी
Baljan, this is again a good movie. Has no connection to what we're talking about today, Baljan, but definitely a tribute song I'm going to play just to keep Vishal Singh Rajput in mind. And yes, there's still no official report as to why, what, when, how everything happened has not come out, Baljan. But what we hear right now is pretty much information coming from different media sources, just trying to create news multiple times. So you got to be mindful about that, Baljan. If you want to get proper, unbiased news information, go check out mediamehma.com. We try to make sure we get you the right sources. Information right sources for sure. That's something which I want to keep in mind because don't get carried away what comes up on social media. Social media is a good way to spread the news, I understand, but many times the news is spreading hatred and violence. I would just say think about it some more and be mindful about situation. Don't have to be reactive, be proactive. That's my advice to everybody out there because I've been seeing the whole afternoon. I'm part of a few WhatsApp groups and ping, everybody talking about this, that, and किसी का forward लेके किसी और forward करके उनका खुद का मसाला डाल के सब भेज रहे हैं. So that happens in our community. We got to be mindful about that because everybody wants to feel important. And when they don't get the importance, when they actually go into depression, but means they need to actually change their lifestyle, probably look at a more positive way of contributing to the community as opposed to just spreading hatred and misinformation in the community. So you got to be mindful of that so we don't engage in those kind of habits, but that's very important. Yes, it is a very sad news what came up, but again, I would tell you one thing, Balanjan, I don't mean to be a person who actually is discounting sad news. There always is something which you got to look at right now. One thing is for sure, India is talking about mental health right now. People are talking about the mental health situation around the world. There are close to around 800,000 deaths. 800,000 deaths annually, which are suicide deaths per year. I don't mean taking a very morbid kind of situation, but I'm going to tell you one thing over here. That means almost like around every second, you're having almost one person, one or four people actually. Well, every second, at least 4 people are actually committing suicide. So that's something which you got to be mindful about. Matlab, you got to be mindful and open to listen to people around you, right? Most importantly, what they want is somebody who can listen to them and talk to them, right? यहाँ पे तो अमेरिका में एक चीज है कि we do have a suicide hotline which is there, which is again we got to give thanks to that the system over here where you can catch this for sure. But not many people can actually have access to a telephone line to call somebody. So it's up to us as individuals to be mindful of our surrounding as well. Now, ye jab hoga, tab, you actually can, I'm not trying to give you a lesson in psychology. No, not even I'm trying to give a lesson about mental health out here on air. That's not my job today. Today, my job is to actually see how we can actually get access to these things, understand more, expand our knowledge about stuff. Indian cinema has given a wonderful way, wonderful medium for me to learn a lot of things. And so I'm just trying to share that with you guys. Taki, you can actually talk about, learn about things as you go into it, like in a very nice story type way. That's how Indian culture has worked out, right? Indian culture has taught us morals, values, everything through story, and it's what even the cinema has kept going. There are some movies in Indian cinema which are psychological thrillers, वो अलग बात है. We'll not talk about. We can talk about them also, but the most importantly, there's some movies actually have, focused on things like perception. They talked about mind. They talked about identity and also death. Everything, right? All those things are talked about. And they also have been ambiguous movies which talk about mental health, or something else. All this kind of stuff that come up in Indian cinema. Some of them are parallel cinema. Some people we understand, some we don't understand. But it's important to recognize these movies. One of the movies came out in, I'm not sure which year. If I'm not mistaken, it should be somewhere in 2016 or 2017. At that time, 2016, I suppose. The movie came out starring Alia Bhatt and Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, you got it. The movie actually is a very interesting movie. Now, let me ask you guys. Why would you think this movie is something talking about mental health? So definitely give me a call here on Share With Me for sure. I require to hear your inputs today for sure. If you want to give a shout out for Sushant Singh Rajput, if you're a fan of his, feel free to do it for sure. But most important today, I want you guys to be mindful about these things. Now, let's talk about this movie which actually talked about mental health, which actually talked about a person who's very professional, very thing, but still, there was something which made this movie stand out for me. And also a movie which, and tell me why it is actually something which you would definitely go watch to learn more about mental health. So number to call here, 408-912-2479. This is a googly question for you guys, so we'll call it. It's 408-912-2479. What is the movie name which I'm playing right now? What is this movie? And if you haven't seen it, doesn't matter. If you've seen it, great. Let me know what is that thing which is probably very timely in this movie. At this time, at least, right? It came 4 years ago.
उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love me zindagi.
कभी हाथ पकड़ के तू मेरा चल दे कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं मैं थोड़ी सी मूडी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you
but I probably guess you would not have known about this movie because your movie hit nahi hui. At least the audience didn't expect to be a hit. Shah Rukh Khan, one of the many flops of Shah Rukh Khan this decade, I suppose. And go a flop again for Alia, but people did not like it. But I like the movie for sure because I saw the movie. Very interesting. Ye movie jo hai, I think is another milestone Bollywood hit. Bollywood cinemas actually hit. Because the whole movie was shot, the entire story was being set within a psychiatrist sessions. Yeah, many of us actually go, oh, wow, really? You know, stuff. It's actually breaking a cliche of facing mental illness because people say, oh, only if you're depressed, you got to go to seek out help, right? Well, it's not that because Isme Johanna, the interesting about the whole movie is the fact that the person, the protagonist, I think Alia Bhatt's role, I think a lady called Kyra, she plays the role of Kyra. She actually isn't depressed, but she simply visits the therapist because she couldn't sleep for 3 days. Now, that's the thing, right? You don't have to seek, just because, you don't have to wait to fall, to get into some kind of serious situation before you seek help. You can seek help nevertheless. And towards the climax, of course, Alia's character confronts her family and talks about all the fears that she's been struggling with and dealing with, which actually is keeping her from, a fruitful life. Now, that's exactly what the role of a psychiatrist or psychologist is, to actually guide you through the whole process. Now, again, this is not a session, this is not a show where actually I'm trying to promote you guys to go to a psychologist or whatever. I'm just trying to tell you, it's okay to seek for help, seek and reach out for help for sure. That's one thing which this particular movie really brings to mind. And if you want to watch the movie, it's called Dear Zindagi, starring Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt. Now, you will be pleasantly surprised. It's done well. Initially, there'll be that thing like, oh my God, am I going to see Shah Rukh Khan this kind of a role? No, there's no romantic connection between Shah Rukh Khan or, for the matter, Alia Bhatt. They do show a lot of...
It's time for the Bandhu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
All the fact that it's about a patient and doctor relationship. And that's what they wanted to focus also. That movie was good. Watch it for sure. This actually talks about, again, a kind of a situation where you got to deal with the fact that it's not that you got to go to a doctor only when you're sick. Right? You also can try to go to somebody who can actually help you while you're dealing with stuff as well. That's exactly what this particular movie has been propagating. That's called Dear Zindagi. Now, speaking about this, I'm going to play a song from a Farhan Akhtar movie. This movie was 100%, was not a hit at all. It was a total flop, actually. This actually was directed by a newcomer, Vijay Lalwani. You could call this as a psychological thriller, but brings attention to something very interesting. Now, if you know the movie name, give us a call. I doubt it, but the movie songs were very nice. So here is the song for the movie. You gotta tell me which movie it could be, right? Some of you might know, some may not know about this. So start dialing in 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. This is a very nice, fun song. So probably might not give you much about the movie, but nice song nevertheless. A romantic song.
Close.
Welcome, Imagine, a beautiful song, right? And you wonder what are you talking about? How can this be a kind of how can this be a psychological thriller? It is a psychological thriller, but Jan, the movie's name, many of you might not know this. Let me see what's happening on Facebook. If people actually are pasting this answer on Facebook, let me check. So people are kind of okay. Oh, a lot of stuff happening on Facebook. I can't read them all right now because I need to get into it. But yes, there's so much information on about the thing also. Very good. The thing is, okay. Hi, Deepak ji, namaste. Vishal ji, hi. I just want to say hello to everybody. Jyoti ji, namaste, and Deepa. Oh my God, what have you written in Deepa? It's a long thing. And Madhu ji, hi. You said something. Well, okay. The whole bunch of talk about people who are who actually are talking a lot about, who seems to be big fans of Sushant Singh Rajput. Yes, Deepa, yes, we are. I started off a dedication song for him, of course, sure. And please, feel free to give us a call here and you can share your thoughts about him. If you can even share your movie, your favorite movie of his. I have actually, though he has done around 10, 11 movies, I think what stood out to me was only a few of them, which I think pretty much were Dhoni, which was our most recent one. Chichore was definitely a good movie for sure of his. And aaj hum log we're talking about mental health, Mindful Mondays, talking about how, we tend to ignore many of these markers in people and in our surrounding as well, people around us as well. Even in ourselves, we tend to forget that we need to give self-love as well. It's very important. We've got to be mindful about our own situation, also people around us. That's what we're trying to focus on today for sure. Yes, let me tell you, this particular movie I play right now actually is from the movie called Karthik Calling Karthik. And why I'm talking about this movie also talks about a mental disorder. Actually, it's more of an individual who is suffering from schizophrenia. Now, people will not know about it. People will go ask me, suppose you're taking Psych 101 in your school or colleges, probably you'll know about it and you'll know more about that. I don't want to give out too much about the movie. Go watch the movie. It's a nice movie for sure. You will enjoy it. This is my guarantee. It's called Karthik Calling Karthik. Available right now on many of the streaming services already. Shelter plays one thing. What happened was the fact that the streaming services got wise, started adding a lot of titles to their roster of or should I say menu. In other words, they actually knew that many people are going to be binging on all these services, and so be it. Many people have actually done that also. So right now, let me tell you, this is a show called Mindful Mondays, and यहाँ पे हम लोग bring attention to mental health things, right? Movies which actually have focused on that as well, and some movies which actually have talked about it, but in a very subtle way, and not specific, because people know if we talk about a movie which is talking about mental health, people will not watch the movie. Case in point, recently a movie came out which was supposed to be called Mental Hai Kya, but later on got renamed to Judgmental Hai Kya because of a case put by one of the people who I'm going to feature today in the next song. Actually, her organization went and said, no, you can't call it as mental health care because it's a very derogatory term to use. Well, the point was to drive home message about mental illness, and that's exactly what they wanted to do, but unfortunately the movie tanked. For whatever reasons, we're not going to talk about that. But right now, Jan, let's see. I have a next song coming up for you guys, and this movie के बारे में थोड़ा बात करने के लिए क्या बताऊँ? ये movie जो है was the movie name is it's about a play. It's about a play. A very, very philosophical movie, if you want to look at it that way. But I really think that this movie brought attention to, again, a mental illness. Not specifically a labeled one, but definitely somebody going through it because of all the stressors in their lives. Right? That's what actually yields. Now, if you don't know about all these things, when people get into that kind of situation, it actually has a precursor, which actually is antecedent to it, which actually is all the stressors people have, and that's when not able to handle that is when the other things manifest in their lives. So that's something which you got to be mindful about. And yes, that possibly could have been reason why what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput's case as well. We're not doctors. We're not here to diagnose anybody right now. We're not trying to label anybody as well. That's something you got to be mindful about. And yes, I have a message which says that big people. Deepa has mentioned a huge thing on Facebook. I will respond to just a few minutes. But se pehle, listen to this particular song. It's a fun song for a movie which actually will make you cry. And we'll talk a little bit about what actually it's featuring as well. If somebody has seen the movie, you want to talk about the movie, give us a call here, 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो अटेंशन का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा ए वही मुझे फांसा तेरी ऐसी की होता है जिंदगी का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा ए वही मुझे फांसा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know तेरा ना मेरा जमाना हो न ये जनाना न मर्दाना हो पकड़ता ना है का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा है वही मुझे फांसा चिरकुट जिंदगी यू सुन बेलिया दिल ने धोखा दिया आगे मिली तुमसे नाज़नी मेरे होशो हवास खो गए हो दिल ने रो रो कहा ये आंखें हैं दिल की जुबान ख्वाब रोज रोज देखे नए हो दिल का भंवर बोले सुन साथिया छुप ना दुपट्टे में तू ओ छलिया प्रेम पुजारी के दिल का बयां होता रहा रोता रहा प्रिय तो फिर डंग 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 टंग डंग डंग डंग
And of course, Baljan, this is again a show which we call as Mindful Mondays. And yes, jahan pe we're talking about how we all have to be mindful about situations. Now, there was this tragic news came out. People joining us right now. Let me tell you, there was a tragic news came out yesterday about a young actor, a budding actor called Sushant Singh Rajput, who actually committed suicide in his Bandra apartment. Now, beyond that, there's no other published news as such from the police reports and everything. But there's a lot of things people are speculating and talking about, and a lot of hoo-ha happening on social media about this, that, this. And yes, people now pointing fingers at the people, blaming the big wigs, the nepotism creators, everybody, and that people are gagged up against him, didn't give opportunities. Well, I would just tell you one thing, Bhajan. Yes, the people, the media will do that because they need to get TRP rating and everything. So there's no point in you being reactive about it. I would say take a deep breath, be mindful. That's why I call this show as Mindful Mondays, because we need to be alert and aware about what's happening around us. Now, most importantly, why I felt Deepachi gave a big thing on our Facebook page, which actually is very interesting. I don't know if I have time to read the whole thing, but Deepa, I will try. She says the big Bollywood people all okay, there's an autocorrect which happened there. All ganged up against him, and that's how he was under depression. Okay. She says, I understand that he was not supposed to take such drastic steps, but still he was a victim of nepotism. Well, again, when you say he's not supposed to take drastic steps, you are blaming him, so don't do that. But the point I'm telling you right now is, let's not miss the point here. The point is the fact that we've got to be aware of the fact that mental illness is something which we are ignoring big time. And I'm not saying that they could have been, might have been multiple factors leading up to him making the decision, and that we leave it to the police department to decide, and also the experts to decide what exactly happened there. But right now there's no point in actually pointing fingers at the people just because they're standing there. You know, the big Karan Johars, everybody in the world standing there, can't go start pointing fingers at them. So the point I'm making here, but Janice, let's be mindful. Let's try to remember him in our good thoughts for sure. And rightly, what she talked about, Deepa, she talked about a song which is very, one of his favorite hit songs, I suppose. So we will see if we can play that song for you. Let me first welcome Faltwani into the show almost towards the end of this first hour. Hi, Faltu, how are we doing?
I'm doing awesome. How are you?
I'm doing awesome also, Faltwani. Mindful Mondays में आपका स्वागत है. And I want to ask you your take on today's Mindful Mondays. What do you think?
I just joined the show, Alta Baba, but if it is anything with regard to Sushant Singh Rajput's unfortunate demise, I do want to say this. I think, Altu, I was thinking a lot about it, and I was wondering, why is it affecting me so much? Because I wasn't a huge fan of his. I mean, yeah, I liked his movies, but there are some actors where you really don't have an impression. You need to think, oh wow, what an amazing, like Irfan Khan I liked.
Yeah.
I really it was very, very sad. I was saddened when he passed, and I loved Rishi Kapoor Saab. And with Sushant Singh Rajput, it's just like, how does this not in your stomach form when you don't know much about this actor? I just know him from some of his movies. I loved him in the movie Chichore. That was the movie that was a turning point for me, and I said, okay, you know what, ask Altu. I told him, I said, everybody's done a good job, and this guy has acted really well. Even in the older man's role, and he's done a good job. So one thing that I had was the gut punch, as you call it. I was wondering why that happens, and I realized that, as we, each and every single one of us, train, right? We build resilience, physical resilience. We're becoming less and less emotionally resilient. Many of us don't have the wherewithal to be able to bear through a lot in life. Many of us are very vulnerable. And it's of our own doing and our own making to an extent. If we were mindful, like Altu was talking about Mindful Mondays, and we actually practiced those identifying what our cognitive distortions are possible. It could be both ways, right? And identified how to be empathic or empathetic, as some people would say, and also gave gratitude for what we have. It's not easy. It's definitely difficult. I think we would build more emotional resilience. I think that's a lesson that you take away from this, and you feel like, it's unfortunate. Some people said that Karan Johar, Yash Raj film. Some people say Riya Chakrabarti, who broke up with him. Some people say it's Ankita Lokhande who caused it.
We still don't know what exactly has transpired there. Now, I kind of agree. One of the statements on Facebook coming out there that, we don't know if he was depressed. Yes, we don't know if he's depressed at all. But he made a choice of actually committing suicide.
Yeah.
Now, that itself is an issue. I'm not saying he's depressed. I'm saying that he actually made a decision to end his life. What was that thing which was so desperate that he had to end his life? My point is that. Now, we don't know what has happened there. There might be something more deeper, more, more despicable, something more diabolical, something more evil in the background. We don't know about that part. But I would like to remember him in his good form, as in all the happy thoughts, wonderful movies he gave us. And yes, as how our, he did in a span of so many years, I think it's part of 10 years, I suppose, he gave us around 11, 12 good movies. So here's one song which I want to play of his and sign off from this first hour, Banujan. It is from the movie MS Dhoni, where he played the role of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. It's a nice song which even Deepa ji asked for. So here you go. Enjoy his song. We'll be back right after this.
तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मेरे जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ तुझ पे ही आके रुके कहने को बाकी है क्या कहना था जो कह चुके मेरी निगाहें है तेरी निगाहों की तुझे खबर क्या बेखबर मैं तुझसे ही छुप छुप कर तेरी आँखें पढ़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ तू जो मुझे आ मिला सपने हुए सर फिरे हाथों में आते नहीं उड़ते हैं लम्हे मेरे मेरी हंसी तुझसे मेरी खुशी तुझसे तुझे खबर क्या बेकदर जिस दिन तुझको ना देखूं पागल पागल फिरती हूँ कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर जबान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर जबान पर फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर जबान पर फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। फेसबुक लाइव को टीवी पे स्ट्रीम किया। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। फालतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। डिहॉटिस की रेडियो के सारे बंधु बन गए। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। सिग्नल का जो नहीं ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन। डिहॉटिस की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन। सिग्नल का जो नहीं ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन। डिहॉटिस की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन। जो आलतू फालतू संग हो फन ही फन बंधुजन। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर। फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई।
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar and you are listening to me on Radio D Hotties with Altu Baba and Paltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay. best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
मी गांधरी की वंदना
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण
Jai Janendra.
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद
मोलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी मंडल को बोलेंगे नीसाम बोला बरजन
एंड हम आ गए हैं आपके ही प्यारे महिमा की दुलारे
मैं से फालतू बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो दैट इन स्पाइट ऑफ everything that's going on around us, Bandujani, is hopefully going to give you a hope to make this another day, another week exciting in Mastani.
That's why, but then of course definitely a day of learning for everybody out there.
Yeah.
And yes, I just want to say one thing. Today is called Mindful Mondays. We are actually being mindful of what's around us, surrounding us, people around us. Just want to say everybody listening to us right now, we love you unconditionally.
Absolutely.
Yes, and really posting on Facebook, we love you too. Deepa, we love you too. Moduji, we love you too. Everybody out there. I think we should spread this message of love more than anything else, right?
Yes.
Now, there was all discussion going on Facebook. If you want to catch up those things, we have actually people writing blogs on our Facebook post right now. That's good. I'm not saying no. Deepa, I hear what you're saying. Nepotism, yes, it definitely is there. Could be a biggest evil. I don't know. Could be a necessary evil. Again, I don't know. The point is, yes, there are people who actually can blame. They can point fingers and everything. But most importantly, as I'm asking you also to focus on, is the fact that we need to, as a culture, as a community, come together and speak up, right? And not be in fear. Right? And not just hold a taboo and not talk about these things.
Right.
And mental health is something which is considered to be taboo in many cultures. Not many cultures. In our own culture, many people know about it.
Right.
In our circles, in our own personal circles, we know many people who run 10,000 miles, if at all they hear somebody talking about these things. And of course, people who are actually going through it are going through it also, silently, quietly, which again is very, very detrimental for their health as well, right?
Right.
And that's when they make some decisions, are very drastic decisions, which sometimes hurt everybody surrounding all the loved ones around them, for sure.
I think culturally भी हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि boys don't cry. First of all, that it's important for you to internalize. दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि लड़की हो तो सहनशीलता सीखो.
हाँ.
You know that you have to tolerate every single thing that you're that's happening in your life, and घर की बातें बाहर नहीं करते. You don't talk about things outside, which is true to an extent, but at the same time, कभी-कभार हम लोग जो बातें करते हैं, and जो हमसे empathic नहीं है, and believe me, Banujan, I've come across so many people who are like that.
Yeah.
There is, it's just unbelievable कि हमारे community में, I mean, लोग यहाँ पे हंस के उसको gossip करके छोड़ देते हैं. But it's not gossip. There are some people who really open up their lives and pour their hearts out to some people who, when they lack the empathy and the person is just there to get the information from you and revel in your grief, or for that matter feel better about themselves because you are in grief or whatever, you're going through angst, वैसे लोग उसको मजाक में ये कर देते हैं. मतलब they'll like Deepa also pointed out, ये जो cliques होती हैं, gangs होती हैं, they will take that and they will without realizing, they think, oh, it's all in good fun. Let's go and we'll talk, that person's like this person's like this. लेकिन हम लोग सोचते नहीं है कि हमारे एक्शंस दूसरे के लाइफ पे, स्पेशली जो वल्नरेबल होके हमारे साथ इतना सारा शेयर किया है, उस पे क्या गुजरती होगी. And yes, Sushant Singh Rajput, Altubaba, I know you said it's all speculation that he was undergoing depression, but he actually was, because they at the crime scene they found, well, it is a crime scene anyway, they found prescriptions and antidepressant medications that he was taking.
Yeah, and again, let me also remind people that the police report does not actually rule out any other misdoings or wrongdoings there. As in, need not be classified as a suicide, but seems to be so far in the first report.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, the FIR, which is the first investigative report, they say it's suicide, but investigation is in process. They haven't shared much.
Yeah.
So when they do share, we will definitely share with everybody out here and for us to know about it. But for now, I think we have to be mindful. That's what I'm thinking, Fatma. That's what I'm saying right now. Today's
Yeah.
show, yes, what I'm going to do is, there are a lot of fans of Sushant Singh Rajput who actually are listening to us right now. We will definitely play one more nice song from his movie, which I totally loved. Movie to maine dekha nahi. But there's one movie we played a lot of this particular song from the movie. Shall I play once more of the movie, Fatma? You want to, or is there some other song from the movie which you want to play?
Which song are you talking
The
about?
movie Chichore,
There's
the
a
most recent appearance of his.
Chichore Bandijan. I'll tell you, that movie was just, I think it was really, really amazing. I really like that movie because in that, he's the father of the child who tries to commit suicide.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he plays the role of the father of a child who tries to commit suicide, and there's a very poignant dialogue. मुझे, पूरा याद नहीं है, but in that dialogue, he says, life always, prepares us for, if you do this, if you score so many marks, you will go here, you will get this job, you'll get that. But nowhere does it prepare you for if you fail, what is your backup plan?
That's true. Yeah.
Never ever do they prepare you for that particular thing. And उस movie में कितनी खूबसूरती से दिखाया है, and he's played बहुत ही subtle, very subtle acting, and he's done a really good job. I mean, that movie, for me, I was like, okay, hats off. And it's so sad that was his last theatrical release before he passed on. And you should, if you haven't seen it, I would urge you guys to watch that particular movie, Chichore Bandijan, because there's beautiful moments in that movie, very nicely captured, between friends. I mean, of course, makeup could have, could have used some help, because some of the folks don't look that old, and it looks like ज़बरदस्ती उनको वो bald wig पहना के ये
Are you
कराया
talking
गया।
about the song Fikr Not?
Fikr Not, yeah. There's another song also. There's a very romantic song also, which is what is that? There's a very nice romantic song too, and then there's also one song which is a song which वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I was going to play Wo Din Bhi Kya Din The for everybody out here.
Yeah.
Or should we say Kal Ki Hi Baat Hai?
Uh,
Well, no, let's play Wo Din Bhi Kya Din The.
Wo Din Bhi Kya Din The is a beautiful song, Mudjan, where he reminisces, and that's when they start telling the story. The father brings his friends together to tell his son that losers can still be winners. And life is all about losing and winning. So, सुनिएगा ये beautiful गाना from that particular movie, Mudjan, Chichore. This is Media Mahima's dedication to the late Sushant Singh Rajput.
हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिकर थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे
दिन थे
And yes, Banjan, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. And of course, काफी सारे लोग अपने इमोशन को पोर कर रहे हैं Facebook पे, facebook.com/radio जाके चेक कीजिएगा Banjan. And yes, Sushant Singh Rajput's loss is, definitely a very sad one, right? Gone too soon is what I can say. It's exactly what even Narendra Modi ji actually tweeted as well.
Yeah.
I just want to say one thing here, whether it's nepotism or whatever could have been the cause, again, you feel sad that a young talent is gone, right?
Well, Buddhajan, one thing that everybody who's posting about, because human tendency ये होता है कि हम लोग, मैं हाल ही में एक discussion में थी और, we were even talking about, how with regard to law enforcement and ये जो अभी भी हो रहा है, Black Lives Matter movement, and we think that, it was, one would have thought after George Floyd's shooting death, nothing would have happened again. At least the police, everybody would be on high alert, right? But what happened in Atlanta over the past weekend? Somebody who was tased and then shot on the back of his head. Another man dies as a result of excessive force by the police. Another black man. And what happened here in San Bernardino County this past weekend? A black man found hanging. And what happened in right here in our backyard, which is the bastion of the Ku Klux Klan, another black man found hanging 2-3 weeks ago. Fuller, who was found hanging. So let's not forget the fact that there is suffering and pain everywhere. But एक और चीज जो हमें याद रखना है, it is not about, we all always are trying to find somebody to pin the blame on. Oh, इन्होंने ऐसा किया, उसकी वजह से ऐसे हो गया. इन्होंने ऐसा किया, उसकी वजह से ऐसा हो गया. वो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. There's really nothing. Unless we're going to learn from it and move forward. I really want you today, Alto and myself were talking about it during the break and when the song was going on, ki the reason we wanted to bring Mindful Mondays is ताकि mindful बोले तो mindful is a very it doesn't even begin to encompass what we are trying to say, because prajna जो कहते हैं, right, that awareness combined with mindfulness combined with awakening जो है वो हम सब में होना चाहिए. We really want you to think about how many people you have reached out to and genuinely asked how are you during this time. आजकल हम लोग जो फोन करते फोन भी नहीं उठाते हैं यार. We text each other. There are people who I can tell you personally, Bandhujan, personally, in my so-called friends list, who I know when I call, that person will pick up. And some people I've stopped bothering to call because they don't pick up. They always will just text. Can you text? Is the question. Really? We can't spend 1 minute to pick up the phone and talk to somebody? It's kind of ironic, isn't it? And then we say, okay, you know what, that person, it's a world of isolation. It's a world of loneliness. In fact, मैं अनुपम खेर साहब के जो feed में है वो उसका देख रही थी, and he talks about, it's exactly what Mahima ji used to say, right, that each of us come alone into this world, and the biggest thing that eats away at all of us, the biggest killer amongst all of us, you know what, Bandhajan, it's not heart disease, it's not any one of these things. Loneliness. If you could be in a relationship, you could be in, a marriage, which the world thinks is a very beautiful marriage. You could be amongst friends, you could be having a great time. But if you could end up feeling completely lonely inside, because if you're not socially connecting from your heart, you're lonely, right?
Yeah.
Because sab kuch, it's very superficial. So that's what we're trying to arouse in our bandhus today. I really want to see how many of you have actually taken the effort during this time to pick up the phone and try to talk to somebody. Not to share your problems, but to find out how the person is doing. Communicating and connecting. How many of us have done that? And it's not about, whether Sushant Singh Rajput Sab committed suicide or whether it was somebody who drove him to his death. At the end of the day, it's that life that's lost. And so many opportunities that may have been available for him that are gone.
Yeah.
So that's what we're talking about, and how could we have possibly averted that?
And also, I also would actually add further saying that there are many other lives affected because of that also.
Yeah.
And yes, Number to call here is 408-912-2479 408-912-2479 and do share your thoughts with us today about Mindful Mondays. Thank you so much, Vishalji. Vishalji says, I did. Very good. And I think, please do share if you want to share with us what you did.
Yeah.
I mean, just what I did on Facebook page, people get different ideas.
Please
At least
do
people
call.
like me.
Yeah.
So please feel free to give us a call here, 408-912-2479. Today is Mindful Mondays. Now, I'm telling you one thing, Faltwani, Indian cinema actually has to be blamed for one more reason.
Yeah.
They have actually given us masking tools.
Yeah.
Tools to mask our whatever we're going through. Like for instance, let me tell you for instance, okay? See, sorrow and happiness is something we have to have for a complete life.
Right.
It is understood.
Right.
Joseph Campbell talked about it. The Buddhist philosophy talks about it. The Hindu philosophy talks about it. The Vedanta talks about it. Everything, right?
The yin and the yang.
Yeah, the sorrow and the happiness is important in life.
Correct.
But if you notice, many of our the stereotypical propagation, or what should I say, the expectations put on gender.
Right.
Like how 2 minutes ago you talked about the fact that men don't cry.
Yeah.
Right? That's one thing which is there.
Yeah.
So, jo bhi hota hai, man bas chup hoke leta hai. But later on, one point in time, busting thing. He gets total, becomes the angry young man afterwards.
Right.
Again, a very negative approach to life.
Right.
Well, don't. Seriously, Balaji, if you keep on, bottling up all your feelings, that's what's going to happen. You should not be bottling your feelings. You should be able to share it openly.
Correct.
That's important. Like for instance, they say, ashiki. Well, biggest thing, my God. Love, there's a big statement. I'm not anything about love and everything, but I just want to tell you one thing. They say, right, it is better to have loved and lost and blah, blah, blah. And of course, all the sad songs. What is the first Sahara they take after they're lost with love? Yes, exactly. They pick up. To get into good spirits, they pick up spirits. Now, is that a good way to do these things? I don't know. Well, actually, that has other implications also. You can mask your, not only a lost love, you can mask your sorrow, you can mask as what they're told easily. Yahan tak ki they glorify to that level, saying that, you got to have you should be spirited, high-spirited to lead a happy life. Ek gana pesh karne wala Faltu. Let's see if our brothers can tell us which movie this is from, okay?
Okay.
Number to call here, 408-912-2479. Because this particular movie actually has a lesson for people to take up. Right? And what is the lesson? I don't know what people heard about. So give us a call, 408-912-2479, and tell us what could be the lesson you would pick for this movie. Pehla ye batao movie kaun sa hai, okay? And then many people have seen it because the movie not only did come, a new version came out of it, there's also older version of the movie starring Dilip Kumar. Right? Now call up and tell us which movie it is and what is the lesson you can take from the movie today, okay? 408-912-2479.
शीशे से शीशा टकराए शीशे से शीशा टकराए जो भी हो बाजे छलके जब ये जाम देखो कैसे देखो कैसे धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम गाए रे धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम धमक धमक धम गाए रे शीशे से शीशा टकराए मदिरा हाँ ये मदिरा तो ले आती है यादों की बरसात छलक छलक के छलती जाए दिल को ये मदिरा होठों से उतरे तो बोले दिल की बात झलक उसकी एक झलक मिल जाए इतनी है फरियाद इतनी है फरियाद इतनी है फरियाद
हे नाचे मीरा जोगन बन के ओ मेरे घनश्याम नाचे मीरा लहरा के बल खा के ओ मेरे घनश्याम ओ देखो कैसे ओ देखो ओ देखो
And of course, the number to call you 4089122. You know why I'm waiting for that particular moment in the song, Faltwani?
Why, Altu Baba?
The shattering of truth was there. Truth was there. Hi, namaskar. Welcome to the Pap Pap Show's Mindful Mondays. Who's this?
कौन है जी?
हाँ जी नमस्कार पैम पैम मैं रंजीत भाटिया बोल रहा हूँ
रंजीत भाटिया साहब, कैसे हैं सर?
बस वो ये न्यूज़ सुन के सुबह कल से मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा बुरा लग रहा है बहुत ज्यादा दिल दुख रहा है सुन के
That's true. Very young guy.
वेरी सैड न्यूज़ सो ऐसा लग रहा है बिल्कुल जैसे कोई अपना कोई बहुत करीबी गया हो
क्या आप उनके सारे पिक्चर्स देखते थे या ऐसा?
हाँ मैंने उसकी करीब सारी पिक्चर देखी उसका वो सीरियल आता था पवित्र रिश्ता
हाँ हाँ
वो पूरा देखा था मैंने
अच्छा
His start was that movie, that particular series, right?
हाँ.
Yeah.
या
या जिसमें वो अंकिता थी उसकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी
लोखंडे, yeah.
या
सही बात है, सही बात है.
वो तो बहुत मतलब उसका फेस हमेशा स्माइलिंग ऐसा रहता था और कितना मतलब सिंपल सा लगता था वो
हाँ
और पता नहीं क्यों उसने ऐसा किया पता नहीं
हाँ, but they also say that he was going through some kind of sad phase in his life. He lost his mother recently, right?
या वो उनका मतलब एक चीज़ होता है जनरली ना जो हम लोग बहुत डिस्काउंट कर देते हैं कि ग्रीफ जब ठीक तरह से हैंडल नहीं किया जाता है राइट
Yeah.
हम लोग सोचते हैं कि वो पार्टी कर ली या
Whatever, you forget about, you
hang out
you
with
drink,
friends,
you'll forget about.
you
No, it
drink,
doesn't. Yeah.
you're just numbing the pain
Yeah.
and
Not dealing with the grief.
I know personally ki how hard it is to lose a parent you know so he was apparently he had recently even posted a very heartfelt post about his mom as to miss you ma करके उन्होंने एक पोस्ट भी किया था कि उनकी मम्मी को वो इतना मिस कर रहे थे and that possibly could be and his father also is in failing health right so बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं कि you know everything just seemed like it was just caving in on him sometimes लोग बहुत सोशल मीडिया में बहुत दिखते हैं ओ इन्होंने ऐसा किया उनको नहीं करना चाहिए था या उसने क्यों ऐसा कर दिया कि कोविडिस है कि वो कायर बन गया टाइप थिंग वो लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं लेकिन वो कभी किसी आदमी को इतना वो लेवल तक पहुंचना जहाँ पे बिल्कुल उनको लगता है कि कोई होप नहीं है that must be such a sad and painful feeling. I mean, if you actually think about it, right? So, it really it doesn't matter. And Deepa, it doesn't matter when you lose your mom.
Yeah.
It
You
doesn't
can never
matter.
get over it,
You
Deepa.
can never get over it. There are people who still, I mean, and you know, the most you miss your mom is when you really, really are going through a hard time.
That's true.
Yeah, and you know, if he recently tweeted out about his mom, so
Correct, yeah.
yeah,
That's
so,
what I was referring to.
yeah.
But anyway, so sir, आज इसलिए हमने सोचा कि mindful Mondays करेंगे जहाँ पे of course we'll remember him in his all the wonderful things he's given us in a short period of time. I think I think hardly a decade of existence in the industry, and he's given us some good memories and good movies.
Yeah.
Remembering him and those, keeping his thoughts alive
Right.
with this thing. Because एक बार चला गया तो चला गया ना जान क्या what can do about it, right?
Right.
But the question to you is, we have to. One thing is brought to attention right now is the fact that the discussion, which is many people are talking about it, but the mainstream media is not talking about it.
Huh.
about awareness about mental health. मेंटल हेल्थ की बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड ये गाना लगाया मैंने जहाँ पे एक ये वेरी फेमस गाना था. आपने पहचाना कौन सा फिल्म का है?
हाँ, देवदास फिल्म का गाना था.
तो आपके हिसाब से देवदास फिल्म में कोई सीख है?
सीख यही है कि अगर प्यार में धोखा को तो शराब पीना कोई उसका हल नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
शराब पी के अपने आप को खत्म कर लो. वो तो सुसाइड से भी ज्यादा खराब है. कितना इंसान जब अपना अंदर से धीरे धीरे स्लो पॉइजन है, धीरे धीरे अपने शराब पीने से अपने आप को अंदर से खत्म करता. मैंने बहुत से लोगों को देखा अपनी लाइफ में जो शराब पी पी के और वो उनकी कितनी दर्दनाक मौत हुई है.
सही बात
exactly.
है. And I think this movie also does the same thing because this movie में, if you notice even the song, right, why I wanted to play until a certain level, right, he is trying to mask his feelings for the particular person, trying to forget her, but when he drinks, he actually is not forgetting, he's remembering even more. And finally, what transition happens when the other lady comes, she throws the bottle away and says, stop drinking, right? That was the crashing
हाँ,
truth.
तो क्या कह रहे थे आप? अब भाटी साहब कुछ और बोलना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, बोलिए सर.
मैं ये बोल रहा था कि जिंदगी, हर एक की जिंदगी में मतलब अच्छा या बुरा आता है तो बहुत मुश्किल से कंट्रोल होता है. किसी के समझाने से कुछ नहीं होता, अपने मन को खुद समझाना पड़ता है.
करेक्ट.
तो जिंदगी एक मोड़ पे नहीं रुकती, उसको और आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए.
करेक्ट. एंड आई वांट टू जस्ट से वन थिंग हियर. आपने सही बात बताया सर. एंड एक्चुअली आपको रेजोनेटिंग विद व्हाटएवर यू आर सेइंग, राइट? There are also many comments coming on Facebook as well. And I just want to say that yes, you would reach out to your loved ones for sure. I want to say one thing here, out to everybody out there listening to us right now, whether you might not be in a situation to share anything anywhere, if you want to talk to somebody, we are here for you. You don't have to call us on air and talk to us about it. You can always message us. We are here to listen to you guys. I'd rather listen to you guys, whatever you want to say right now, as opposed to listen about you afterwards. Right? That's what I would say.
और जो आपने कहा भाटी साहब की हमें रेजिलिएंट होना चाहिए. हमें खुद को, अपने आप को इतना बुलंद बनाना चाहिए कि खुदा भी हमसे पूछे कि बोल तेरी रजा क्या है. राइट. वो खुद को कर
हर तकलीफ से पहले खुदा बंदे से ये पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
एग्जैक्टली. तो वो फिल्मी डायलॉग है, लेकिन नहीं, मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, जिंदगी में अगर हम में से काफ़ी सारे लोग, इनफैक्ट देखा जाए, हमारे जो साउथ एशियन टीनेजर्स बच्चे यहाँ पे पले बढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? इन बच्चों में 90% ऑफ साउथ एशियन गर्ल्स जो यहाँ पे who are growing up are being diagnosed with mental health issues. 90% of South Asian girls. Bandhujan, I'm not kidding. Think about your own daughters and your own sisters, whoever in your this thing. 90% of the girls who are growing up in our South Asian culture are growing up with mental health issues, because ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि कि ओ डिप्रेशन हो जाता है. डिप्रेशन इज समथिंग दैट यू बिल्ड अप टू. बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज होती हैं. उनको ये लगता है कि वो इतनी स्लिम ट्रिम नहीं है, ब्लॉन्ड हेयर नहीं है, वाइट नहीं है, लाइट कॉम्प्लेक्शन नहीं है, इतने सारी चीज़ें. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट स्कूल में बुलिंग, ये सभी चीज़ें जो होती है. बुलिंग ये नहीं होता है कि किसी को मारो पीटो, बट इट्स ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट जब क्लिक्स हो जाते हैं, दे आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन ग्रुप्स. इन बच्चों को mean girls, mean boys, whatever, those kinds of things
that's
happen.
exactly what even Deepa Madhuji on Facebook is talking about, the nepotism. Nepotism is a clique formation, right?
It is that. So this actually drives people to anxiety, to stress, and they internalize it and they become depressed. So what I was driving at Ranjit Singh Bhatia sahab, कि आपने कहा कि we have to get over it ourselves. But at the same time, it's very hard for somebody going through it to reach out and ask for help. तो उनके
सबसे पहले आप अपने खुद के दोस्त बनो और हीन भावना से बचो.
राइट. सो और दूसरी चीज़ ये भी है कि जो उनके इर्द गिर्द में है, जो उनके सर्कल ऑफ सपोर्ट जो हम लोग कहते हैं, माँ बाप दोस्त बंधु जो भी हैं उनके आजू बाजू में, आपको माइंडफुल रहना चाहिए कि एक बंदे, हमें अगर हम लोग किसी के साथ जेन्युइनली कनेक्टेड है, हमें लगेगा इमीडिएटली कि क्या बात है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ लगेगा हमें. देयर विल बी समथिंग दैट विल टेल अस दैट देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, राइट? अगर हम लोग बार बार उनसे बात करें या कुछ ऐसा करें, एटलीस्ट उनको लगेगा कि कोई तो पूछ रहा है. कोई तो है.
Well, actually, I would suggest anybody who is very close to you, आप पूछो उनसे for sure. You might feel awkward and they might not share with you the first instance.
Yeah.
But definitely keep at it and have genuine concern. बंदूजान, एक चीज है, कोई किसी के आपके साथ share किया, please keep it in total confidence with them and don't break that particular trust bond.
Yeah.
And
ये तो
misuse it.
सबसे बड़ी बात होना चाहिए इंसान में कि किसी ने दुख में आकर तुम्हें कुछ बोला है तो उसको अपने तक सीक्रेट रखो, ना कि उसको दूसरों को जा के बताओ.
Exactly.
तो ये तो बहुत गंदी आदत होती है इंसानों की.
Yes, that's very important. मतलब जो भी शेयर करते हैं लोग, when they pour their feelings out to you, आपको एक vulnerable situation में पाते हैं उनको. So please don't misuse that thing. Appreciate that and just listen to them. बाकी सब you don't have to give a solution to them at all actually. ये एक चीज मैं सीखा कि कभी solution ढूंढने का नहीं है, बस talking about it is important और कुछ नहीं. And रंजीत साहब, thank you so much. जब भी आप कॉल करते हो अच्छा लगता है and we love you too.
थैंक यू. तो मेरे लिए एक गाना, उसका गाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुशांत सिंह का.
बोलिए सर.
4 कदम, बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे.
Definitely, I had that song as a going away song, but I'll play it for you for sure, sir.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
अच्छा. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling in. Thank you so much. And so many of our bandhus are joining us on Facebook. Yes, absolutely. When someone is completely broken or disheartened, the first person you think about is your mother and your parents, of course, no matter how old you are. And in fact, I think I shared this in the Good Morning Bay, right? Jahan pe one other person who really battled, he doesn't make any bones about it. He battled a lot of anxiety and depression. And that was over the death of his mom. And that was Arjun Kapoor. And he actually posted, I mean, I don't know, there's something about that guy. No wonder Malaika Arora Khan probably chose him. He seems like an empathetic person.
Yeah, but she chose him, but at the same time she even dropped him like a hot potato, right?
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
They're not together anymore. I don't know if you know it.
I don't know about
Today's not the show for that, Paltari, please.
I don't know about that, but I really think जो उसने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के बारे में ट्वीट किया था, he actually tweeted it was a very, very honest and a very poignant take about what about a bittersweet exchange that he had with Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, their last text messages, and he says, I can say that I felt the pain he did about losing his bearings and feeling that void of his mother, is what Arjun Kapoor says. It seems there was I'll read you that text message exchange. It's basically Arjun Kapoor ne message kiya usko, big hug to you, man, after Sushant Singh Rajput had posted about his mom. And then he says, I love you, brother, I know you understand. And then Arjun Kapoor, it's a very beautiful message, and this is so true, Banjan, and I say this to many people too who are experiencing loss and who are experiencing grief. I say one breath at a time, and Arjun Kapoor says, hang in there, one day at a time. And then he says, yes, that's all. There's nothing like, more explanation or anything like that. And then he says, congratulations. This was just after Kedarnath. He says, Kedarnath defied the odds and did well. And he says, don't wait for Soncharia. See you soon. She's watching and is proud, my man, is what Arjun Kapoor says. And then he says, I really look forward to meeting you, brother. Let me know whenever you're easy. Cheers. And this was his last message to him. And he shared this entire text message, and he says, let's not, he basically talks about the fact that all the circus that people are doing about, who, what, where, why, it takes away from the actual crux of the issue, the crux of the matter, that when somebody is hurting, we are so caught up in our own lives that we don't look beyond ourselves, that we don't recognize the hurt and pain in somebody else. And that's where Mindful Mondays comes into play, Banjan, where we hope, I know, hamara Pam Pam show hamesha khushi, hasi.
Not necessarily, we have mix of everything. We have anger, which sometimes comes in because we have fights with our bandhus. We just love all those discussions we have with you. And of course, we also have lighter moments. We also have heavy moments. We also seen life through all different things. 11 years in industry. we've been through stuff with you guys. So that's how we think of you as family. So Faltu Rani, I was thinking of actually talking about movies which actually bring us attention to mental illness as in mindfulness, right? I'll just mention a few because I think I'll play a song which Rajit Saab Bhatia asked about from the movie PK, right? Where Sushant Singh Rajput actually has acted in that thing as a cameo, but he just stands out, right? He's done a good job there as well, acting opposite Anushka Sharma Kohli, whatever her name, full name right now is. But the thing is, there was one movie which talks about many movies. So unfortunately, the movie which actually have addressed or tried to address mental illness have not been accepted very well by the audience.
Right.
For what reason, I don't know. We have to think about it.
Yeah.
Like, for instance, the movie called Heroine. Nobody went and saw the movie. That actually talks about the...
Oh my God.
It really is a movie. I haven't seen the movie, but I know about the movie because many people have talked about the movie as well, including Faltu Rani, who's talked about the movie. And it talks about how a person who's people think in public light, oh, everything is glitz and glamour, everything. But the kind of the bipolar disorder which she is going through, like, you know, spurts of happiness, grandiose feeling, suddenly feeling sad and sorry. People thought, hey, kya rondu type bolte, drama queen bolte, sab kuch. People label that way, but it's not true. It's actually it's more problematic if somebody actually goes to those peaks of, you know, the grandiousness and also goes to the troughs of depression.
Right.
And it's even more worse than just plain depression. Yeah.
In fact, there's a short that I saw of what's her name? Yeah, the one who's acted in Princess Diaries. What's her name?
Oh.
The really pretty Emma. What's it?
I don't know.
Oh
Emma Stone.
No.
Okay.
The one
Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway, yes.
There's a very beautiful short that I saw of where she addresses. It's about bipolarity and about manic depression. You know, like how she goes through these manic phases and how she goes through these depressive phases. It's beautiful, actually. That makes you cry, and it's something that you know, somebody who's going through it is probably the person who can. I mean, you can. If you've never understood what manic depression is, that movie is a movie that you ought to watch.
So there are ways you can actually learn at the same time enjoy learning about things like that. That's why we're actually doing the show called Mindful Mondays. But right now, it's time for us to take a small song break. We're going to play a song from the movie PK.
Yes.
Which?
बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे
Shantanu Moitra's music by John, lyrics by Swanand Kirkire, and of course the wonderful voice of Shan, and the female voice is Shreya Ghoshal.
बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता रस्मों को रख के परे चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे सताए छाँव बिछा देंगे हम अंधेरे डराए तो जाकर फलक पे चांद सजा देंगे हम छाए उदासी लतीफे सुनाकर तुझको हंसा देंगे हम हंसते हंसाते यूं ही गुनगुनाते चल देंगे चार कदम la
that was a song for you from the movie PK. जहाँ पे हमारे आमिर खान साहब तो थे ही वहाँ पे, लेकिन we also had Sushant Singh Rajput as the love interest for Anushka.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah.
As love interest for Anushka Sharma Kohli. Oh my God, so complicated surname, seriously. Well, yeah, but I know everybody is actually posting on Facebook. You also can go post on Facebook, Rajan, if you want it. You can give us a call. Your lines are open, 408-912-2479. Why people not scared to actually share their thoughts on the phone? Why do they hide behind the Facebook veil? I don't understand.
See. This is exactly what we're talking about, Rajan. That unwillingness to make a personal connection.
Yeah. Point.
Think about it. That unwillingness to pick up the phone, make that effort to pick up the phone and call. Yes, we could say, yeah, we called, we found out, kaise hua, achhe ho? Sab theek hai. But how many times have we actually... No, I'm being very serious about this.
I totally agree with you.
Alto and myself have come, Bandhujan, especially with our work with Pragnya, and we've come into contact with the developmentally different community as well, and we see this on a everyday basis. We come across somebody or the other, and some of them are on our friends lists on Facebook, who are going through so much isolation and so much depression. There are phone calls, I'm not kidding, there are calls that we get where somebody is going through a really hard time because it could be your child. You're not able to help your child. You can't understand sometimes. You're grappling with things. It's very hard. Life is very hard at the end of the day. And we just want to tell every single one of you that if you can't find anybody else to talk to, we are here for you regardless. You can always pick up the phone and give us a call.
Yeah,
and we love you.
You don't need to call on the air.
Yeah.
Messages will call you back for sure. And we actually, our phone numbers are pretty much available everywhere. 408-660-6753 is the number you can always call us on.
Yeah.
We have Bandhu waiting line. Can you go to the please?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, welcome to Mindful Mondays. Who's this? Pam?
Pam, this is Pranav here.
Hi, Pranav ji, kaise hain sir?
मैं बढ़िया, तुम दोनों कैसे हो?
Very good, sir.
आप बोलो सर कैसे हैं?
Welcome to Mindful Mondays.
I'm doing fine.
हाँ तो आपका कोई टिप्पणी आज का टॉपिक के ऊपर?
ये मैं सुन रहा था. तो मैं तो छोटी सी बात है.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
ऐसे तो बहुत लोग बोलेंगे सेलिब्रिटी है, ये है, वो है, इसने ये कहा. I don't care, I don't value that because हमारी पहुंच आम आदमी तक है. तो मेरी जो मेरा जो संदेश है वो आम आदमी के लिए है और हमारे बंधु लोगों के लिए कि you can, at the minimum what you can do is get connected with Pragya because that is life changing. अब आइए यहाँ आप देखिए what is there in the world, what you have been missing, not in the sense that you will find it in the worldly things. यहाँ के आपको पता लगेगा कि how fortunate you are. Because there are other people you come across what problems they are dealing with and yet they are so happy. And it's a life changing experience. So मेरा ये कहना है कि आज हमारे बंधु लोगों से दुनिया में अगर कुछ बदलाव करना चाहते हैं, कुछ देखना चाहते हैं, जिनके बारे में वो लिख रहे हैं, at least they can do is get connected with Pragya and make a difference. That's all.
And thank you so much for saying that. In fact, it's I also would play it this way. The word अपने life में प्रज्ञा लेके आओ. Pragya means awareness. Pragya means mindfulness. That's what Mindfulness Monday today, right? So bring that into your life. You want to meet people like-minded. Come to Pragya.org for sure. That's right. Thank you so much for calling us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pranji, for calling.
No problem.
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you.
नमस्कार, आपका हाल है Pam में. Who's this?
हेलो पैम देखो मैंने कॉल किया.
Very good, Deepa. Welcome to the Mindful Monday,
अरे
Pam.
बाबा वो छिपने की बात नहीं है. Like I was listening to you guys. That's also part of it, right?
I know. But good. When you call us, we feel nice. Thank you for calling. And in person, I want to.
तो मैंने कॉल किया और मैं पूछ रही हूँ, how are you guys?
Thank you so much. We are doing. You tell us, how are we doing?
How are we doing? You tell us.
You are doing good. तुम लोगों ने बोला ना कि कोई कॉल करके पूछेगा तो अच्छा लगता है. So I am like doing that.
Hey, that's true. And
So
thank you,
sweet.
thank you so much for doing
much.
that. And whatever you posted on Facebook, we totally acknowledge it, really, seriously. And I think it's thank you for sharing that on Facebook also. I know it's a tough
Yeah,
time.
because I have been reading a lot since yesterday morning. And the more you know about it, the more you feel bad, na? Matlab,
Correct. The more you know about it, the more you feel bad because you feel you don't have control over it. That's what it is. So hence we said just be
yeah, there is
mindful.
no way out. I mean, yeah, there is no way we can do anything about it. That helplessness makes it more.
Yeah. So
situation more.
That's why I
bad.
posted on
Yeah.
Facebook. I said don't have to be reactive. Be proactive. You try to be reactive, you feel helpless.
Yeah.
When you're proactive, you actually just be mindful, aware of all these things. But thank you so much for calling in and checking in on us. And again, we love you too.
We love you too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How are you doing?
How are you doing, Deepa?
Yeah, I am doing okay. Just looking yesterday से ये न्यूज़ सुन के मतलब क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. Again, I keep asking that question, right? I can know. Somebody said वही मैं भी लिखने वाली थी लेकिन अभी तक I'm still collecting some material. I think I don't know. Facebook पे कुछ लिखने की कोशिश कर रही थी कल. Then I thought like I should rewrite it properly.
Good.
Like,
Just copy the comments
like
you post
humans,
today. No, just copy whatever you posted in our comments today. Post it there. It'll become a blog.
वो भी सही है. मैं इतना हंस रही थी जब when you said Alto Baba said like somebody is blogging on my Facebook page.
See, the important thing is, Deepa, I want to see you smiling and happy. That's all is the thing. And my goal is done. If at all, I have one person smiling. What do we say?
Absolutely. And if you've gotten somebody to think about it and be a little more mindful, then that really, really matters. So thank you so much for sharing. It really.
That you mentioned it there, like empathy and compassion. That those two main things are missing. Like the emotion, empathy, compassion. These three makes us human. Otherwise, हम में और पेड़ पौधे में फर्क नहीं है. And other things like the reason you are born. कल मैंने एक सोचा अपने आप, पता नहीं किसी ने already लिखा होगा quote, but I don't know. Like just because you are born as human being, it doesn't make you a human being.
Very well said. And I would tell you one thing, we have to raise to the level of Paid Podha, not to think they're any less than us, because Paid Podha have got more compassion than us.
Yeah.
Definitely. The water hai.
Yeah, thank you.
No, human being is the lowest form. In my view, right now.
True.
It's like things happening around the world is like I am becoming so much cynical. I don't want to be like that, but कभी-कभी इतना मतलब गुस्सा आ जाता है मुझे.
Hey, there are people like our bandhus around. Don't worry about it.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
But thank you so much for calling in, Deepa.
Thank you so much for calling in, Deepa. Thank you.
I don't know if do we have time to pick up one more caller, Falguni?
Let's go.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, this is Madhu from Stan Material, R253. How are you?
Very good, Madhu ji. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत sad हूँ.
I know, Madhu ji.
Because of Sushant ji, since yesterday I really felt bad. और मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ है इस चीज का कि we lost a very shining star.
That's true.
इसका future इतना अच्छा था. और दूसरी बात ये है कि मैं तो इसको नहीं मानती कि उन्होंने सुसाइड किया. उसका सब कुछ अच्छा था. His future was good. He is going to marry. और वो अपना इतना हार्ड वर्किंग था. He was not a party boy. उसको सारा कंसंट्रेशन अपने वर्क की तरफ था कि मैंने अपना ये कैरियर को चमकाना है.
तो ये जो
बात rumors are rumors.
He was
no fact. Yes, it is rumor. अब ये कह दिया कि जो आदमी पंखे से लटका सुसाइड किया तो खुद लटका नहीं किसी और ने लटका दिया उसको.
You never know. Exactly. Very true. Very true.
अब आप किसी और ने लटका दिया मार के उसको. ये कैसे कह सकते हैं वो सुसाइड किया. ये तो एक र्यूमर फैला दी कि भी उसने खुदकुशी की है, सुसाइड किया है. आई डोंट एग्री विद दिस. और उसके फैमिली भी नहीं ये मानती. The person he is getting success in his life, he will never do. और तो कोई mental problem नहीं, ये सब टैग करा है. Just through कुछ और मसाला मिला नहीं. Mental था, ये था, all nonsense. They were talking all nonsense.
Very true. In fact, I'll tell you one thing, Madhuji, the report was not finalized. The initial report was said as suicide, but the report is not finalized. But thank you so much for calling, Madhuji. Love you too. And yes, we're running out of time right now. We need to go into our last song, which we're going to present for you guys from his movie itself. Falguni, what do we have for him?
We have a beautiful song which we played in our Ganika Kira this morning by Amit Trivedi, जिन्होंने compose किया है. and he himself has sung it as well. It's a beautiful song called Manja, and Swanand Kirkire saab ke lyrics hain again.
इसी के साथ बंधुजन बोलने वाला आप लोगों को be mindful, stay happy, right? And if you have anything, don't forget to give us a call, or don't hesitate to give us a call for sure, or reach out to us. You know how to reach out to us: Facebook, email, phone number, everything you have with you guys.
Yeah, and when you just feel like there is there's nothing else for you to go on, just learn that you can take another breath.
Yes.
Just one more breath, and live one breath at a time. And the same thing, if you can, reach out to every single person. Pick up the phone, call the people that you care about, and tell them it's better than posting after they're gone.
Yeah.
Right? So that's all we're going to say. May your soul rest in eternal peace, Sushant Singh Rajput ji. May you find peace wherever you are and rest with your mom. And with this, Radio D Hotties pays you tribute. And we will also say, we love you, Bandhujan. Take care. Good night. Shabba khair. And a pyar bhara. Mwah.
बिसरे यारों को बुला लेंगे, सोई उम्मीदें जगा लेंगे, है जज्बा, है जज्बा।